Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the best free screen recorder for PC without watermark and no time limit. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. When it comes to screen recording on PC, many people are looking for a free tool that can record their screen without any watermark or time limits. Luckily, there are several free screen recorders available, and one of the best is OBS. OBS, or Open Broadcaster Software, is a free and open source software that is commonly used for live streaming and recording gameplay. However, it can also be used as a powerful screen recorder for any other purpose, including recording webinars, creating tutorials, or capturing any other activity on your computer screen. In this tutorial, we will discuss the different features of OBS and how you can use it to record your screen for free without any limitations. So let's dive right in. Now, to install OBS, this application, you would need to go to obsproject.com. In this page, you would be able to see the home page of OBS and you could see different information about OBS. As you can see here on the different feature, OBS is a high-performance real-time video and audio capturing and mixing. You can create scenes made up of multiple sources including window capture, images, text, browsers, windows, and webcams, and many more. You could also set up a limited number of scenes that you can switch between seamlessly via custom transitions. There's also audio mixer, powerful and easy configuration tools, configuration options, streamlined settings panel that gives you access to a wide range of configuration options to tweak every aspect of your broadcasting or recording, and a modular dock UI that allows you to rearrange the layout exactly as you like. Now, to download this application, you're simply going to click on these buttons over here depending on what type of gadget that you are using. If you are using Windows, you're going to click on Windows. If you are using Mac, you're going to click on Macs. And if you're using Linux, you're going to click on Linux over here. Now, personally, the application that I'm using to record art video for today is also OBS. As you can see here right now, we are using OBS to record our screen. This is what the OBS application would look like after you install it. So we're going to explore our OBS application right now. As you can see, it is very easy to use and you would be able to see scenes, sources, audio mixer, scene transition, and controls over here. On the control section, you would be able to control when you would like to start streaming, because like I said earlier, it is also very commonly used to stream different games on computers. There's also the stop recording and start recording section over here, which is where we are looking at right now. We also have start virtual camera, where you would be able to connect your webcam to OBS over here so that you would be able to add your face on your recording at the same time. You could also click on the settings over here so that you would be able to see the settings of your visual camera. As you can see here, we have internal, scene, and source over here. You could also edit the output selection from program output to preview output over here. You could also check out the studio mode by clicking this button. As you can see here, we have the preview scene and the program scene over here, which is different. This is basically what you would see, and this is what the viewer of your video would see if you are live streaming. You could add transitions by clicking this. You could click on this button. You would be able to add duplicate scenes, duplicate sources, swap preview and program scenes after transitions, and you could also add quick transitions like cut, fade to black, cut, fade, and how long it would last. You could choose it over here also, and you could also drag this around for the duration over here. Now we could click on studio mode to disable that. You could also click on settings over here so that we would be able to see the settings that we could do with OBS. As you can see here under general, you could change your language, your theme, which is the default right now. You could change them to these options over here. You could also open stat dialog on startup, hide OBS window from screen capture. You could also check out the updates over here. You could have stable and latest stable release over here, automatically check for updates on startup. so that you would be able to use the updated version of OBS every time. You could also edit output options over here, like show confirmation dialog when starting streams, and all of these options over here. You could also have settings for source alignment snapping, snap sensitivity, projectors, system trays, previews, importers, studio mode, and multi-view over here. When you're streaming, you could also choose your services over here. You could choose from Twitch, YouTube, Facebook live stream, Restream, Twitter, and you could also choose from more options over here. You can see there is a lot of different live streaming platforms that you could connect to. And after choosing the service, you can simply click on Connect Account so that you would be able to connect to the specific account of your service so that it would automatically connect with the live stream service, so that when you're live streaming, it will connect and show on the live stream platform. You could also use your stream key over here. You could also edit the options or settings for the output over here, like the video bitrate, the audio bitrate, the encoder preset, and you could also edit the recording section over here where you would be able to edit where the recordings would be sent. As you can see here, it would be sent on my video section over here. The recording quality is automatically high quality and medium file size. It is MKV, and the encoder is hardware over here. You can also edit settings for your audio, like the sample rate, global audio devices over here, meter, advanced hotkeys, and all of these options. You can also check out the fonts for video, hotkeys, accessibilities, and advanced options over here. Going to exit this. And over here on the scenes, we could also check this out. You could add scenes by clicking on this button, and you would be able to enter the name of the scene. Click on that, and as you can see, I have black and this screen over here. Now you could remove selected scenes by clicking on this delete button over here. You could also add open scene filters by clicking this. As you can see, you could edit filters, and you could rearrange them by clicking on this button over here. On the sources, this is what our screen is currently recording. You could choose from either window capture, which is basically the window only. It won't include the taskbar, or the display capture, wherein it will show you everything that is happening on the display screen of your computer. You could add more by clicking this. You could add from application audio capture, audio input capture, audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, droid cam, OBS, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture device, and window capture, which I am using right now. You could also edit your audio mixer over here. This is our audio mixer. You could make this have less sounds, or you could also click on this button over here. You could lock volume, you could hide them, you could rename, vertical layouts, you could add filters, properties, and advanced audio properties over here. You could also click on settings over here. As you can see, our desktop audio is active and mic is also active. You could tweak this out if you would like. If you would like to see the video that you have recorded, you can simply click on file over here, and you could click on show recordings, and you would be redirected to the file location of whatever you are recording after you stop recording over here. Now, as you can see, there is no time limit with how long we are recording. We are currently recording for 8 minutes and 42 seconds, and you wouldn't also receive any watermarks on your videos, as you can see. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.